Hi, I'm Dr. John Pierce from Ageless Forever. At Ageless Forever, we work to be the pinnacle of wellness. With that, I mean, we do everything that we can to get our patients as healthy as possible and maintain that health throughout the rest of their life. We do natural supplementation and bioidentical hormone replacements to get to that end. We have a simple philosophy here at Ageless Forever. If you give the body what it's missing, 9 times out of 10, it will do what it's supposed to do. In the events that it doesn't do what we would expect it to do by giving it just supplementation, those times is when we reach into our bag of patented pharmaceutical medications and use those medications. I like to use the example of cholesterol. If you have a high cholesterol in traditional medicine, they like to reach out for a statin medication straight away. I don't believe that philosophy. The first line of defense for that is diet and exercise. And so we really work on improving your nutrition, as we have a very good nutrition consultant here as well. If that doesn't do the trick, a lot of times nutritional supplementation can be added to our program to really lower your cholesterol. And with that, we've been very successful and had some excellent results that compare and a lot of times supersede what is seen with statin medications. With the nutritional supplementation, you actually don't get a lot of the side effects that you get from the statin medications. So that's just one example of how we use nutritional supplementation in lieu of patented pharmaceutical drugs. But if we fail at using the supplementation, diet, and exercise, then pardon the pun, because it's truly intended, that statin medication is a much easier pill to swallow at that juncture. As far as bioidentical hormones, it's kind of giving back to the body what it's no longer capable of producing. And for both men and women, this is important as we get older. There's plenty of science out there and studies to validate that giving back the hormones not only increases the quality of life, but the quality of life. As far as the quantity goes, nobody can really tell you that they can give you more quantity because we don't know how long we'll be here on this earth. However, if we can improve the quality, then the quantity that we do have is much better. Bioidentical hormone replacement is very safe. We do our best to ensure that we are giving the lowest effective dose of medication, therefore minimizing side effects. As we deal with each individual, we have to find the sweet spot for that individual. It's kind of like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Not too little, not too much, just right. And just right is for that particular individual. That's a pretty good overview of what we do here at Ageless Forever as far as wellness. We also have other services that we do, such as cool sculpting, which is cryolipolysis. The idea behind that is that anytime a cell freezes, it will die. With cryolipolysis, this is a very focused freezing, so we can target specifically cells, fat cells, that are in problem areas for the patient, and we can eliminate those. We get about a 20-25% reduction in the area treated, and most people get 1 to 2 treatments per area, and that will give them their best results. Some people need just 1 treatment, some people need 3 or 4, just depends on the individual. We have about an 85% success rate with people being very happy with the treatment, period. The treatment is relatively painless. There is some soreness associated with it. It lasts for 35 minutes typically. We have some of the newer advanced heads here so we can get the treatment done a little quicker. There's no surgery, no needles, no incision, no anesthesia needed, no downtime. If you get the treatment, you want to go shopping afterwards, you want to go to the gym, you're more than welcome to do that. We just started with a new 800 number. That number is 833-4-AGELESS. That's 833-424-3537. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us at the office at that number. You can look us up online at www.agelessforever.net. That's AGELESS, forever, FOREVER.net. And thank you for your time.